Hi, my name is Colleen Bird. This is my introduction video. A little bit about me. I have a 3-year-old dog named Charlie. I really enjoy sports, especially baseball. I love going to baseball games. I went to opening day this year, and that was something super fun for me. I like spending time with my family. I have a 6-year-old nephew. And then I have an Etsy shop for my small business that I really enjoy crafting. As far as my education, I graduated undergrad in 2016 at Penn State with an early childhood education major, and my minor was special ed. And I'm currently a graduate student for my master in instructional technology at UMGC. As far as career-wise, I'm a kindergarten teacher for MCPS. This is my 4th year teaching. My first year I taught in Rockville. The last 3 years I've been at the same school in Potomac, Maryland. Next year I'm switching grade levels to 1st grade, so I'm super excited about that and can't wait for a new opportunity. And then as far as me being a technology expert, I have a class website that my families can go on and find different resources for themselves as well as their student. They can find out a little bit more about me to get a little more personal. I think I'm pretty good with Google Docs and Sheets and slides. And I use a lot of technology in my classroom to support my students, such as different websites and platforms and games. I'm looking forward to working with all of you this semester.